Good evening, guys. How are you? And I'm very glad for you to again tune in to these Twitter recaps here. They only take 10 minutes, and I will show you what I have been posting during the day, also what I've been retweeting, and yeah, basically just go through the chart and not the charts, but the Twitter stuff and see where we are in time, what has happened. Um, Again, the comments, like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Highly appreciate, you taking your time to listen to me talking every day, more or less. It's I love to do this, and I hope you get a lot of value from it. That's why I do it, really. So, um, one thing here, I posted a very long chart here, excuse me, a very long post here on gold miners and silver miners. Where are they in time? I think it's a good piece of work in my opinion. A lot of great charts, a lot of great stuff there. So again, you can go and check that one out on the Substack if you want to see see that one. I think it's the again. I think the whole gold to silver ratio is what is important to the mining sector. That is my conviction, and nothing can change that really until I see something else. But I'm looking back 20 years, 30 years, and yeah, that theory that I have is still proven to be 100% perfect in my opinion. So, but anywho's, let's go through the Twitter stuff, guys. Nostra here with tomorrow is going to be interesting. 47K in the money calls on the SLV expiry, roughly 5 million shares with only 10K shares available to borrow. Silver shorts are in trouble. So is this the moment where, hey, silver is about to do the big silver squeeze 2.0? We shall see. I mean, silver is definitely climbing. We can have a look here. I know there's a lot of weird stuff going on here, but we are definitely pushing it here. And yeah, once the shorts, when they're in trouble, they will have to cover, like they did, all the way out here, right? When we finally broke that in 2020, boom, that is a short squeeze, right? We will see the same again. We saw that also in 2011 here, same thing. Look at that, boom, short squeeze. So it is coming, in my opinion, and yeah, great little again update there from Nostra. And then I've done a an update here on silver miners, taking what I think is the best setups in that ETF. There is three setups, long-term setups. If they break to the upside, these are the ones where you want to really load up the boat in these guys, and they will do more 100%, 200%, easily due to that whole setup. Because whenever you have a 3-year long squeeze pattern, you have all the momentum inside the Bollinger Bands. That's what I call the power node. When they break to the upside, you just sit tight and be right. It's the weekly chart, is really good from that point on here. Again, here asymmetry again is a it's a guy there that is doing a lot of research, within commodities, Bitcoin, gold, silver, copper, all sorts of good stuff. So I will highly recommend you to follow him. He's again working very hard to do these posts. So and I agree with him again with his statement there that we could see $6 price target for gold. And if you continue the uptrend here, this is my chart of gold. You can see we continue the uptrend here. We have the golden here. This is the long-term chart, by the way. Again, hitting there, roughly the 100% measured move from the 2002 lows to the 11 highs, pull back. The 100% measured move is roughly 8K, $8,000 gold. And I think we're getting there. That is the path of least resistance, going there. Not tomorrow, obviously, but hey, down the line we will get there. And then again, you have gold divided by inflation. We have a 45-year cup and handle breakout. Again, this is the 3 monthly time frame. So this happened, in 2024, the breakout, late 2024, and we have the little handle target here, which is roughly 15. And then you have the big one, the cup there, the low to the top, roughly 50. Meaning gold is to outperform from the breakpoint to the cup target by 7x, if my math is correct. 7x outperformance of inflation, which is already high and will remain high, gold is, has become one of the best inflation hedges that there is at this moment in time here. Beautiful gold, fantastic. Again, here the long post on gold that I did. Definitely go and check it out here. Here we have JNOC. This is on the monthly here. I said daily there, but this is the 2x leverage gold mining ETF. It's trying to break out here of a 10-year trendline resistance. It's still early, but again, they close above 52 down here, and we should see a spike. Remember, the leveraged ETFs are over time always going down. But again, if you have a 10-year trendline break here, you could see a big spike. You could easily be targeting, roughly 1K here. So there's a lot of money to be made, but this is not one you hold for like 5 years. Again, you hold it for maybe a year, depending on how fast we get there. But so there again, and also this is leverage play, and it's about to break out from a 10-year trend line. So if the leverage ETFs here and gold miners are potentially breaking out, it is actually breaking out, but again, we need that little extra confirmation. What does that tell you for the gold sector? The leverage is breaking out. That's good. Short term here, we have the gold to silver ratio, 2-hour flag here actually breaking down. Again, if we start to come close to like 87.5-ish, I think we're going to have a huge collapse in the gold to silver ratio. Again, looking back to that silver short squeeze, the ratio will collapse. The mining sector will boom heavily. Silver will run to 50. It sounds insane, I know, because it happens so rarely, but I think we are at a very pivotal moment here for the ratio. And my take on the ratio and the gold to silver ratio, how important it is. So at this point in time here, we had a 15-year bull flag. I think we actually collapsed below there during the day. I can't remember. But the uptrend there, the 1 month uptrend is still fully intact. So gold looks fantastic still. Could we have like 3-4 days of bull flagging or sideways to down? Sure. Again, we're looking at the 15-minute chart. So take it as you may here. Francis Hunt, the market sniper. Coffee, also a call that I made there. We were breaking a 50-year range, a 50-year range. And what you can typically do if you want to go to the long-term target is you take the range, the high of the range, or the width, whatever you want to call it, and you add it on top, and that is your target. I mean, if that's the case, we were breaking at roughly 300, and again, we are talking 8x on top there, so we are talking easily $1,500 for coffee futures. 1,500. This is Coco 2.0. I completely agree with him, and again, in a year's time, again, they are talking a little bit in the mainstream media now, coffee, but again, and they will come up with something like bad harvest or plague, whatever, not plague, but coffee diseases, whatever. But this is just purely your hard-earned fiats getting destroyed heavily. And they have been managing, again, my take on the futures is that it is made and created for the big guys, the people in charge to control the price for as long as they can. Now, all that is about to come undone, and the coffee prices is going to surge. And they will find an excuse or a villain, but hey, it has nothing to do with that. I completely agree with Francis. We ought to see a lot higher coffee prices, and if it goes as fast as cocoa did, we can be talking 1 year, 2 years time, and coffee will. It doesn't, go 7x in price because again, it's not 1-to-1, but you can easily see coffee prices 3 times higher, the physical stuff, 4 times higher easily. So yeah, I think that is all that I have for today. I did some updates yesterday on the Substack stuff, but we will not go into that. So have an amazing day, and let's see again tomorrow with the silver, with the expiry and the shorts. I'm very excited for silver. So should you be. In 2024, we broke $26 for silver, and that I said it. This is the big moment in time where you want to be only looking for longs in silver. And again, we rallied to 30. We pulled back again. We have the price chart is looking really, really good, and we ought to see 50, and we could easily see $50 silver in this 2025 easily. Again, if we get a short squeeze, all bets are off. You saw the short squeeze in cocoa. You're now seeing it in coffee. You will see it in sugar. You will see it across the board, basically. So have a great day, guys. Again, I love doing this. Like and subscribe, all that fine, good stuff. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.